If you're planning to move to Germany, stop. Don't pack your bags just yet, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you what nobody told me before I came here. And before you land in Deutschland, you need to know these 6 things that every newcomer must be prepared for. So let's dive into this. So let's start with number 1. Paperwork paradise or nightmare? First things first, welcome to the land of bureaucracy. From Anmeldung, registration to Versicherung, insurance, and oh, don't forget your Aufenthaltstitel, residence permit, everything needs a form. Here is a mini story. When I first moved here, I walked into the Bürgeramt, the citizen's office, without an appointment. Rookie mistake. I waited 2 hours just to be told to come back next month. And of course with the right form and a termin, which is basically appointment in English. So here are some pro tips. Learn basic German bureaucracy terms. Try to always have 2 to 3 copies of all important documents and try to be nice to the receptionist. It helps. Number 2. No internet, no cry. You think getting Wi-Fi is easy in Germany? Think again. Some providers take 2 to 4 weeks to set up your internet. That's right, weeks. And here's a mini tip from my side. Get a SIM card with a good data plan right away. You will be hotspotting like your life depends on it. And don't forget, public Wi-Fi is not as common as you might think. Germany values privacy, even over fast internet. Number 3. You need German more than you think. Everyone says you can get by with English in Germany. Yeah, sure, at the airport. But try going to Bürgeramt, the bank, or even the doctor. Here is a mini story. I once tried to explain a health issue in English at the pharmacy. The pharmacist smiled, nodded, and gave me no spray. And guess what? I had back pain. Moral of the story, start with survival German. Learn phrases like Ich habe einen Termin. Ich habe einen Termin, that means I have an appointment. Or können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat that? Or ich spreche nur ein bisschen Deutsch. Ich spreche nur ein bisschen Deutsch. That means I only speak a little German. And look, I'm not saying you need to speak like Goethe on day 1. But having a solid foundation in German makes everything easier. From job hunting to grocery shoppings, it's the key to unlocking your life here. And that's exactly why I created my Fast Track A1 and A2 courses to help you learn fast, smart, and with confidence. If you're planning to move here or just arrived, this is the perfect place to start. And you can find the links to my both programs down below in the description. Number 4. Culture shock is real. Let me tell you something. The biggest shock I got after moving to Germany was not the language. It was the way things are done here. Now let's go through some of them. Number 1. Punctuality is a lifestyle. If your meeting or appointment is at 10, showing up at 10:01 is already considered late. Germans are super punctual. If you say, I will be there in 5 minutes, you better mean 5, not 15. Here's a mini story. I was once 7 minutes late to a job interview, and the interviewer just smiled and said, in Germany we start on time. Let's just say I didn't get the job. The next one is don't cross on red. Even if there is not a single car in sight, don't cross on red, especially if kids are watching. You will get the most intense death stares from sweet old ladies. The next point is small talk. What's that? If you are used to chatting with strangers in line or talking about the weather for 10 minutes, then adjust your expectations. Germans don't do small talk unless there is a reason. But once you get to know them, they are some of the kindest and most loyal people ever. Number 5. Finding a home is harder than you think. You thought dating was hard? Try finding an apartment in Berlin, Munich, or Cologne. It's competitive, expensive, and you need a positive Schufa. Schufa, Lohnabrechnung. That's the salary slip you get from your employer. Mitschuldenfreiheitsbescheinigung. Yes, I'm not kidding. That's a word in German. Let's break it down. Mitschuldenfreiheitsbescheinigung. Okay, so that basically means if you're already living somewhere else, you need a Mitschuldenfreiheitsbescheinigung from your current landlord so that the next landlord can see you don't have any debt to your current landlord. So yes, these are the things your landlord want from you. And here are some quick tips from me. Have your all documents ready in a PDF. Show up to viewings early. Try to dress smart and act interested. And finally, number 6, jobs and reality check. Looking for work? Know this. Speaking German opens 10 times more opportunities. English speaking jobs exist, but in the sectors like IT, startups and marketing. But without German, forget public sector jobs, customer service and many Ausbildung. I see many of you comment in my video how to get Ausbildung in German, or I should make videos related to Ausbildung. That's for you guys. If you don't know any German, then it will be nearly impossible to find any Ausbildung in Germany. And how to find a Ausbildung or how to come to Germany through Ausbildung, I will cover the topic in my upcoming videos. So make sure you subscribe the channel so that you don't miss the video. Now let's learn some essential phrases for jobs. Ich interessiere mich für diese Stelle. Ich interessiere mich für diese Stelle. That means I'm interested in this position. The next one is ich habe Erfahrung als. Ich habe Erfahrung als. That means I have experience as. Then you can just put the thing you are experienced in. For example, ich habe Erfahrung als Verkäufer. Ich habe Erfahrung als Rezeptionist. So you can just put the job title after the phrase, okay? Then we have ich spreche Deutsch auf Niveau A2 or B1. Ich spreche Deutsch auf dem Niveau A2 oder B1, okay? I speak German at the A2 or B1 level. So these are the phrases you can use while hunting a job in Germany. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. And if you're learning German or planning to learn German and want a step-by-step roadmap, you can check out this playlist where I give you tons of roadmap how to start learning German. So see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.